Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to upload product images in Woocommerce on a WordPress website. As you can see, I am into the WordPress admin dashboard as of now. In the left side toolbar we are having an option of products, and when we move our cursor on the products, then automatically a submenu appears in front of us having an option of add new product. We are going to click on add new product to create a new product. Here we can simply mention the product name, for example cotton t-shirt. Okay, and now as I'm going to tell you how to upload the product images, right? So I'm scrolling down. In the left side you can see a section, this is of product image. Here you need to upload the cover image of the product, right, which would be displayed as a cover photograph. Okay, so we have selected this. You can simply either select from media library, or you can upload a new photograph from your system, right? So I have already uploaded, so I am going to select it from media library itself. And here we can simply mention the title of this particular product. For SEO reason, I have always told you that kindly rename the uploaded image with the keyword for which you want that particular page to be ranked. So I have renamed it as cotton t-shirt. Here you can simply also add the alt text as well. Alternative text is very much useful for the SEO, right? So I have also added the alt text related to this image, a man wearing cotton t-shirt of blue color, right? So in case if the internet connectivity is poor at the end of the user, and image doesn't gets open and seems to be broken, then automatically this alt text would be displayed to the user, so he or she will come to know what this image is all about, right? What is the context of this image. So I have selected this image and click on send product image. Scrolling down, this is the product gallery. Here you can upload the images of the product from different camera angles. So I have selected 2 to 3 images from the media library. Else you can also select upload the images from clicking on the upload files option, right? I have already uploaded few images, so I'm just going to select it from media library. Here also you need to rename the image. You need to change the title of the image and also mention the alt text, right, for SEO reason. And now I will click on add to gallery, and as you can see the images have been uploaded. So in this manner you can simply add product images in Woocommerce on a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Woocommerce, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog, read articles related to Woocommerce. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing, then also I have given my website link in the video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.